Hi everyone! Welcome to Waterdrop's YouTube channel. We are your hosts Ilgen
and Jeannie. Waterdrop's mission is to encourage you to drink more water in order to live a healthier, longer, but also more sustainable life.
Exactly! How are you doing today, Jeannie?
I am very excited for what we have planned for today.
It is gonna be a very exciting video. But before we get to it, we would like to introduce you to our new friends right here.
We have 5 new friends that we're welcoming to the Waterdrop family. We have Roxy the raccoon, Freddy the frog, Pico the penguin, and who are the other ones?
Tilly the tiger and Buddy the bear, and they are now available for you to purchase in pre-sale, so don't forget to check out our website. You can click the link down below and find your favorite ones.
So today we are doing something very fun because for every bottle we have created a DIY mask that you can download on our website. For example, if your toddler's favorite is Buddy, you can get Buddy's mask on our website, just download it and print it, preferably on thicker paper so it lasts longer.
Exactly, and today we will be choosing 2 of them and making it for you guys to see how it is, how easy it is to actually create the DIY masks. And we thought that it will be actually a great fun for your toddler and his or her friends to hang out together. So let's get started.
Who are you choosing?
I guess I'm already holding this one, so I can go with Pico the penguin mask. And you?
I'm gonna go with Buddy, since we also have a real life Buddy sitting next to you.
Yes, sounds good. Let's get started. I'm also drinking Wipe today.
Ooh, and I'm drinking Defense.
Cool.
Very
yeah,
yummy.
Although it's getting slightly colder in Vienna, I still really enjoy drinking my summer favorite, which is Wipe. So let's get started.
All you need for the masks is just a pair of scissors or maybe a Stanley knife. Make sure to be careful when using these, and then a glue stick to glue all the parts together.
Now, as you can see, we are already done with our DIY masks. And I guess it's time for us to try them on. Well, I guess we're also ready for the Halloween. What else is going on? I have now the Roxy.
And this is Tilly Tiger. We have prepared them beforehand.
I have to say that it's a little bit tight for my face.
It's meant for toddlers' faces,
I
not for
guess
our
so.
faces. So this is how easy you can recreate this DIY animal masks, which are inspired by our new friends here at Waterdrop.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any of our future uploads. See you in next week's video.
And don't forget to drink more water.
Bye!